Good morning, class. Thank you so much for diving into our lesson. And we are about to begin our work on the questions for our reading. And before you begin working, I want to review our CFS for your answers. I've dropped this into the chat as well. Take a moment to review this CFS. As a reminder, our CFS is that you are answering the question that is being asked. You are writing your answer in complete sentences with punctuation, and you are including text evidence to support your answer. Thank you all for reviewing that CFS. I'm going to start a timer now for you to work independently for 6 minutes. Begin your work now. I can see Jim starting on question 1. Thank you, Pam, for starting on question 2. Great work, everyone. 3 minutes left. Our time is up. Thank you so much for engaging in that work. During our work time, I checked on the work that was being completed in our Padlet. So I was able to see our responses and I could see who was writing what. And I want to say, class, that we know in our class, we all engage in our work and we take risks. Every day we do our work and we take risks, and sometimes we make mistakes, and making a mistake is okay. That helps us learn. And it's important for us to see what went wrong in our answers in order to solidify our learning and know what to do next time. And so, like we've done in class before, I'm going to show you one answer. Here is the answer of one of our students. Thank you so much for volunteering, Jim. I took a moment to message Jim during our work time to ask for his permission to share his answer. So thank you, Jim, for letting us see your work. I'm going to start off by sharing the glows. Jim, thank you so much for writing your answers in complete sentences. Everybody take a moment and look at your answer in Padlet. Did you write your answer in a complete sentence like Jim did? Great work, Jim. This is really important to do in our writing. I want to give Jim another glow and say, thank you, Jim, for answering the question that is being asked. This question is on characterization, and Jim answers the question on characterization. So everybody take a moment to look at your answer. Did you answer the question that was being asked? And finally, let's move into the grow. Jim, one part of our CFS is to make sure that you include text evidence in your answer. And that means to choose a line from the story that proves your point, that supports your answer. And your answer, it is a whole sentence and you're answering the question that was asked, but it does not include text evidence. And so everyone take a moment and look at your answer. See, did you include text evidence? And we're going to pause right here so that everyone can add text evidence to their answers. And so before you begin that work, one more time, thank you, Jim, for letting us look at your answer and seeing how we all can improve our work.